In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Metamask Wallet on Google Chrome extension. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are using the Chrome browser, since Metamask will be installed as a Chrome extension. Once Chrome is open, go to the search bar at the top and get ready to look for the extension store. Next, search for the Google Web Store. This is the official place where Chrome extensions are listed and installed. It is important to use the official Chrome Web Store so you avoid fake extensions or unofficial download pages. When the search results appear, open the Chrome Web Store from the official Google result. Once you are inside the web store, use the search box to look for Metamask Wallet. Type the name carefully so you find the correct extension. After you find Metamask, click on it to open its extension page. On that page, you will see the Add to Chrome button. Click Add to Chrome to begin the installation. Chrome may show a confirmation window asking if you want to add the extension. Give Chrome a few seconds to download and install Metamask. Once it finishes, the extension should appear in your browser. In some cases, you may need to open the extensions area in Chrome to find it more easily. That covers everything you need to know.